Our Hiligaynon word lakat, it means to walk or to go somewhere. Lákat. Naglakat kami halin sa balay. Naglakat kami halin sa balay. We walked from the house. So kami is like we, halin is from, and then balay is house. So naglakat kami halin sa balay. Nagalakat pa sila sa dalan. They are still walking on the street. So pa is still, and then sila is they, and then dalan is a street. So nagalakat pa sila sa dalan. Nagalakat pa sila sa dalan. Magalakat ako pauli. I will walk home. Pauli is like going home. Ako is I. So magalakat ako pauli. Magalakat ako pauli. Dapat ka maglakat didto. You should walk there or you should go there. Dapat ka maglakat didto. Dapat is a must or maybe should. So didto is there, ka is you. So dapat ka maglakat didto. And that is all for our Hiligaynon word lakat, which means to walk or to go somewhere. Lákat.